Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create calendar in Canva. So if you want to design your own custom calendar in minutes, whether it's for 2025 planning, business or personal use, I'll show you how you can do it in Canva step by step. So first you can just open Canva on web or app, and then you can type calendar in the search bar in here. Hit on enter, and you can also filter by year or style. And here you can see there are lots of calendar options that you can select it, and you can just select a template you like. For example, I'm going to use this simple one in here. Click on customize this template. So once the template is open, you can change the color, fonts, and images to match your styles. For example, in here, I'm going to change the font. You can just choose the font that you like this, including this one, for example. Sorry. Like this, and you can also add the text field. You can add holidays, birthdays, or goals. For example, I'm going to select this one and add a red color to make it like a public holiday. You can choose red like this. You can also use another, for example, like that. So you can just customize it based on your calendar. You can also upload your own photos or use Canva elements. So in here, I'm going to use an elements. I'm going to add a graphics. Let's say this one, you can customize it just like this. So you can design, you can add any elements that you like for your calendars. This one. And you can also just duplicate pages to create month by month layout. But as you guys can see, it already includes until December, so you can just modify the date individually. So you can always use stickers, icon, or note sections. If you have some notes on each month, you can just type in here, and you can also just use the text box. So that's how you can easily design your own custom calendar in Canva. It's perfect for organizing the aesthetic way. So like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks for more Canva tutorials. Bye!